Hey there, welcome back to another video. So today we are unboxing and reviewing the WYBOT C2 Robotic Pole Cleaner, a fully upgraded 2025 model that is engineered to deliver powerful, intelligent, and effortless pole cleaning. Before we jump into the features and details about this amazing pole cleaner, I want to give a quick heads up that this WYBOT was sent to us for free in exchange for the review, and this is also a paid collaboration. But like always, my thoughts are 100% honest and unbiased, which means I will share my authentic thoughts about this review and this specific product after I tested it in my pole, which is exactly what you are going to see and decide for yourself. First off, the unboxing experience is super clean and straightforward. Everything is well packaged and secure, and inside the box you will find the C2 pole cleaner, a retrieval hook, user manual, and the dual layer filtration baskets, and also the charging cable. It is ready to go with minimal setup required, and I have to say right out of the box that it felt sturdy and well built, and also the design, as you can see, it looks really impressive. Now let's talk about what makes the WYBOT C2 really stand out. This isn't just a basic pole cleaner, it is fully upgraded cleaning beast, equipped with a 65-watt brushless motor, dual scrub brushes, and a brushless pump system. It delivers strong suction that easily picks up sand, dead leaves, fine dust, and even stuck on grime. And with a 3-hour runtime in eco mode, it's able to cover poles up to 2,152 square feet, cleaning not just the floor but also the walls and water lines with ease. The C2 is loaded with intelligence too. With built-in high-precision sensors, it plans and follows optimal routes thanks to its 6 custom path planning options. You also get 7 different cleaning modes, including full pole, floor only, wall only, waterline, wall then floor, turbo clean, and eco floor mode, as you can see in the app. So whether you are doing a full clean or targeting a specific area, there is a mode suitable for you. All of this can be controlled directly through the WYBOT app, where you can also schedule up to 4 cleaning sessions per week, making this a true hands-off cleaning solution. And also, before I forgot to mention, as you can see, the app is straightforward. All you need to do is have your Bluetooth on your app, and the connection is really straightforward, and the app is user-friendly. You can just select any mode or any speed you want, and the robot will just do whatever you set up in the app. Now, here is what really impressed me: the dual-layer ultra-fine filtration system. The first basket handles large debris like leaves, while the second basket features a HEPA grade to catch even the tiniest dust particles. And this is what you can see and notice in this filter, as I was really impressed by how small and tiny dust that this vacuum was able to collect from the pole, even though the pole, as you can see, looks really clean and nothing you can see with your eyes. But when I pulled up the pole cleaner, I was really surprised to see that the filter basket really had some stuff in it, even this plastic and stones. I was like really amazed, to be honest. This ensures that your pole water is not just clean but crystal clear. It is completely cordless, so you won't deal with tangled wires or hose setups. And when the cleaning is done or the battery runs low, the auto parking system guides the robot to the pole's edge for easy retrieval with the included hook. And yes, it works on all pole types and surfaces, so whether it's tile, concrete, vinyl, or fiberglass, whether you have got an above ground or in ground pole, this pole cleaner will work on any of them. It definitely checks all the boxes for what a modern pole owner needs. which includes all of power, intelligence, app control, and ease of use. And considering everything it offers, it is seriously worth every dollar, especially compared to other premium robotic cleaners on the market, and also they mainly share the same features. So you are getting top tier features at a surprisingly accessible price point. That's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing pole cleaner. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this review helped you decide whether the WYBOT C2 robotic pole cleaner is the right fit for your pole. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience in case you want to get one and take advantage of all the smart features that it has to offer. See you in the next video. Peace.